I first read about the mentorship program for young champions of the earth, I was immediately inspired. I thought becoming a mentor could probably give me an opportunity to be more engaged instead of just, liking something or so, but really going there and trying to do something myself, supporting hopefully, and also learning a lot from the people that I will meet.
Well, there's a wealth of opportunities. As I say, the success of this program is not just about the seed funding, it's also about mobilizing resources, mobilizing know-how, and Covestro has an enormous wealth, a pool of information that I feel that we need to tap into and that will benefit these young champions.
Jens has helped me connect to key people within Covestro who provide very valuable strategic input, and I'm sure it's just the start of the relationship.
It's a great exchange. You learn a lot, and it's fantastic. You learn in a different way. This is not the corporate world, and this is not polymers, but you may find links to it as well. And you get to know such fascinating people who have taken a different route in their life. The question is, who had more learnings, the mentees or the mentors? At least for me, I was taking a lot out of it. But based on the feedback, I guess I was also able to help a little bit.
It's a privilege. These are amazing individuals. I mean, when you talk to them, you see the energy, you see the passion, and you see the potential for what we can do for the future. It's really, truly impressive.